Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Arish Asifan and today we will be discussing Work and Energy Unit 6th from class 9th physics book Federal Board National Book Foundation. So let's talk about power. Power is the rate at which work is done or energy is transferred. It is a scalar quantity and it is measured in watts. The formula of power is work done divided by the time taken, and 1 watt is equal to 1 joule divided by 1 second. So let's have an example. How powerful will a Tesla's car engine be if it does 3.69 multiply 10 power 6 joules of work in 1 minute? So the time period is 1 minute, which is 60 seconds, and the work done is this. So the work done will be divided by the time period, which in return gives 61.5, and it gives 61.5 kilowatts answer. Now if we want to convert this kilowatts into the horsepower, so you must always remember that 1 horsepower is equal to 746 watts. So our value, which is 61.5 kilowatts, will be multiplied by 10 power 3 and divided by 746. That results in 825 horsepower. Efficiency. Efficiency measures how effectively input energy is converted to useful output energy. The formula of efficiency is output energy divided by input energy, and if you multiply by 100, this means that the unit will be in percentage. Now let's try to find the efficiency of a petrol engine. A petrol engine takes 400 joules of fuel energy and does only 120 joules of useful work. How efficient is it? This means that output will be divided by input. So output is only 120 and input is 400. So 120 will be divided by 400, which results to 0.3. If you multiply 0.3 with 100, this will convert it into the percentage value. So efficiency is 30%. Now we have a table which shows the typical efficiencies of energy conversion devices. In electric generator, the efficiency is 98%. In hydroelectric power plant, the energy efficiency is 90%. In large electric motor, it is 85%. In the home gas furnace, it is 80%. In the wind generator, it is 55%. In fossil fuels and power plants, it is 40%. In automobiles engines, it is 25%. In fluorescent and incandescent lamps, it is 20% and 10%. I hope you guys liked my lecture. If you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome content. Thank you.